Installing 12.3 HD touchscreen. Car 2014 to 2019 Lexus RX. First of all, let's open the car shift panel. Remove the co-pilot side trim strip. Remove the central control button, panel decorative strip. Remove the central control L outlet and key panel. Remove the original car screen base panel. Loosen the screws and remove the original car screen. Then unplug the wire. Then connect the wire we prepared to the back of the original mainframe. Then connect the connected wire to the screen of our new product. It will be restored as it was. Let's test the function. As you can see, it supports using maps, listening to music, and watching movies. Thanks.